Welcome to Trading Lounge and the SP 500 for the 26th of June. And as you know, we've been counting from the low here of wave 1 and 2 here, up for wave 3 and ABC for 4 here. And we're looking at, two scenarios. We just need to be mindful of both of them. One is that we're going up here for wave 1. We pull back for wave 2 here to the 50-60% retracement level, and then we move up for wave 3, 4, and 5 up here. The alternative here is because we actually have made a new high here. And in fact, we don't even have to make a new high. We just need 5 waves in this structure, which we have. It's possible to have a top in place here already. But that wouldn't line up with the European market. So the European markets, we expect them to move higher. They need to make their run higher. So it's possible that we can just continue up here. We'll know that in due course, but at the meantime, we just need to make money. So we've been looking at, we've got the top here right on the turn. So we're looking at an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. That A wave here realistically would be a little bit closer to the to the 2900 area there. It'll probably poke its nose below that a little bit, but as you can see, there's really good support there as well for that number. So yeah, we're looking for an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here. So with a wave 2 here, what we normally see is a pretty sharp move, and it's always in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the A wave, 3 for the B wave, 3, 5, 3 structure, and then 5 waves down for wave C here, such. Then we go up for wave 3 here. So in wave 3, we'll be looking for, we could buy on the low here, but if we've got a top in place of wave 5 here, then we're going to come up for wave 4, and then we're going to come down again here as well. So we need to be mindful. It will be this top here, basically here. We can get a better entry than that in here with a little sort of move through here. But this is sort of what we're looking, this will confirm if we're going lower or higher at that particular point. So we can trade down to these points. We can trade down to the 29, get out, look for this ABC correction here. We can look for that in 3 waves, and we can look to short that there as well. So that would be an A wave, B wave, and C wave here. So we can just draw the line through there, and we can short that there as well. So taking part profit here, but getting 5 waves here will deliver another 5 over here. I just don't know if it's going to be wave C or wave 3 of a bigger move down. But yeah, so this is where we can move to. So just on the 1 hour chart where we just draw some lines for trades, this is what I was thinking here. Wave 1 down through here, wave 2, then wave 1 and 2, and then the third wave down here. The third wave would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave here. We'll go into the tick chart and update that in a bit of a moment. But the 2900 here is going to offer the support from these previous lows here, and it's pretty much where we're going to see wave 4s come in play. It's where we're going to see the wave B come in play here as well. I'll just move that a little bit higher here. It'll be something like this here. Give it a bit of space to breathe. Yeah, so a bit like something like this here. A bit of a bumpy ride in this space. That's what we'll be looking at, and we'll be moving down into this area here somewhere. So at this stage here, if you've triggered short in this space here, then we can move the stop down to sort of in this space here. Definitely we should look at taking some part profit down here, because we've got to get through wave B here with all of this. So You might want to take it all off the table. Everybody trades differently, but we'll just put that on the 2900 area here to either take all profit or some profit. But if we do get 5 waves here, then we're going to get another 5 over here. The question is do you want to hold? If I take that, let's just go down halfway between those two there. It still brings the 61.8% back up into this area here, so it's something that you might have to accommodate, or you can even, it's quite a long way, you can trade that back up. But let's just see how we go at this particular stage here. Let's just see, first of all, if we get 5 waves down, and definitely look to lock in profit at this point. I'll just go to the tick chart here and have a quick look as well. Okay, so just need to look on the S&P for that. Just give me a second. I just need to look on the cash market here for just this little move here, because I've got it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 to this particular point. Yep, I'm happy with that for the time being. Just looks a little bit awkward, that's all, because otherwise we'd need to put wave 1 over here and wave 2 to here. No, that's in 3 waves, that's fine. So 1 and 2 and 3, bit of an overlap on 4 here on this one, but that's okay. Wave 5 for 1 and 2 here, and I need to pull, this is 100 ticks here, so I need to pull that apart on 20 ticks to just get my head around that. I can see parts of it. Okay, so there could be one. There should be one more little move down through here, and that should come in at. So yeah, we can come down to here, and then we can come back to that 4th wave there. So not a big deal. Just hold short through that. It won't be as high. Anyway, things move around in the night. That's about it. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Much appreciated. Thanks for the support.